Welcome back, traders. I got this comment on my last video, and it says how to avoid fake change of character and fake break of structure. So we are going to go through that. This is on the EU, and then I made an analysis on my previous video on GJ, which I took a live trade. As you all know, most of my analysis are done based on live market analysis. Then you can see the market is reading. If I go to the lower time frame, you see. So let's briefly look at how the trade is going so far. As from the hourly time frame, you can see that we are progressing. Okay, we are progressing. So probably I might take my profit if I see some sort of rejection from this point. I might decide to take my profit or just close one of the position and then set break even, or better still, take all my profit from this point right here. You can see that this is almost 1:5. So I'm not going to be greedy, and then I have 1:3 almost right here. You can see. So this is fair enough. This is fair enough. So without wasting much of your time, I will go to EU trade and then show you what a fake break of structure or change of character looks like. Now, if I'm to analyze this trade, definitely I'm starting from the weekly time frame. As you all know, starting from the weekly time frame, I'll see that price is trying to trade into this point, this imbalance, and you can see that price didn't even tap into this imbalance, therefore creating a double bottom right here, which is a nice draw on liquidity right here. So I'm gonna drop down to the daily time frame and see if I can have a good institutional reference point where I can decide to sell price into this zone. Then I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame, then since I cannot find a good institutional reference point. Now if you look closely, this displacement, or what I call liquidity void, started from this place, creating all of this imbalance, and then you can see that it was formed using just two candlesticks, this 1, 2, and then let me say 3 right here, and you can see that price is trying to fill in that void. So what I'm gonna do is mark out my institutional reference point, which I can see an imbalance right here. Now this is a way of telling you how to avoid a fake market structure shift or change of character. And then if you highlight from where we started where we started the displacement or this price aggressive movement from, it started from that point right here, which a lot of people might want to call an order block or a supply zone. And you can see that my point of interest is above 50%. Where's 50%? This red line right here, you can see 50 of this displacement or liquidity void. So what I'm gonna do is, this is my point of interest. I am not selling. I am not selling no matter what happens until price get to this point. I am not selling, or I am not looking for a sell opportunity until price get to that point. Now if you drop to the 15-minute time frame, which is my time zone for confirmation entry, you can see that price is trying to do what we call inducement right here, as price was trading higher. So the whole concept of fake market structure shift and all of that is just a form of inducement in most of the cases. So that price broke structure from this place and then boom, it went up. Now what an uninformed trader will want to do is to take his entry from this fair value gap. Okay, I have a market structure shift right from this point. There's my market structure shift. Let me put that so you can see. BOS market structure shift, and then you have a fair coupled with a fair value gap. So what will you do? You would want to enter from the tip, setting your stop above that high, and then your take profit below this recent low right here. So this is what a typical trader would want to do. If you don't know what you're doing in the market, this is what a trader would want to do. So what happens after a few minutes or an hour? You get stopped out, and then price still traded above. It is because you are not patient enough for price to come into your point of interest. So if this is your point of interest, forget about whatever price is doing within this range before it gets here. Okay, price would want to induce a lot of people, induce a lot of people before going to the predicted point of interest. So whatever happens before price gets into this zone is none of your business. So this is how you are going to avoid a fake market structure shift and then a fake change in character. Most of the time it's as a result of FOMO. It's as a result of FOMO. Okay, ideally, if you have to take this trade and you want your stop loss to be above this point where we started having the displacement, would you want to do something like this and push your stop loss above and then your take profit here? Definitely no. This is a negative risk to reward. You wouldn't want to do that. It's so unwise for you to do that. So what about if you wait for price to sell at a more premium price? This way and this way. It's even much more better. If you are scared of losing, or if you are scared of missing the trade, it is more better for you to even do it this way. At least this is 1:2. But you can still wait for extra confirmation. You wait for price to give you such a market structure shift in your point of interest. Okay, it has to do with patience and then FOMO. So if you're scared of losing a trade opportunity, that is where you get induced. What is inducement? It's just like the market deceiving you, playing with your feelings or emotion. Okay, don't let that happen to you. So stick to your plan always. If this is your point of interest, stick to it. There's no need of you taking trade here, here, or here. Always wait for the place you want price to get to. Okay, so right now price has tapped into a point of interest. If it trades above and then breaks this structure and then give me some sort of retracement with good displacement, then I would want to consider selling and this kind of price action, because already I've taken this point to be my point of interest. Okay guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and then if not, still let me know on the comment section. I'll try my best to explain to the best of my knowledge using smart money concept. Thank you guys, and please like and subscribe.